Excuse me.
Please come in. Please take your seat. Thank you. Introduce yourself.
My name is Pushpa, and my husband name is Prem. And I was working in a manufacturing company, and I've done my diploma in electronics and communication. Since past 2 years, I left my job because I could not balance home as well as work pressure. So I thought I'll concentrate on more on kids, so I just quit the job.
Okay.
Now, as I was teaching my children, I thought I had an interest to teach other kids. Like I had an idea to get into a school job where I can work as a teacher, and where I can balance my home as well as my career. Where that's
Okay. Compared to your professional and now what you have chosen, it's absolutely different.
Yes.
Okay. Why did you choose this profession? How it is beneficiary for you?
Main thing is I'll be engaged with the work where I won't be idle, and the secondary thing is I can teach the kids as well as I can learn the things where I can teach my own kids too. It will be, and the work pressure and work balancing will be the proper way
Okay.
where I can give time for family as well as for my career.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me about your personal.
Personal, I have two kids. Elder one is first standard, and the elder one is in fourth standard. They both are studying in the same school.
Okay.
And I'm staying with my in-laws, and my husband name is Prem.
Okay. With your younger child, what kind of problems you face?
Since he's a bit hyperactive, so sometimes we need to give him, make him a busy. So what I'll do is I'll whatever the lessons ma'am used to teach him, I'll ask him to read before only, and prior to that I'll take care that he will be ready with the lessons, so that when we go to school he will be even more expressive in the lessons. And if he has any doubts, he'll come back to me and I'll rectify those doubts.
Okay, fine. Now, just you are entering into the classroom. All the children are they are scattered here and there. They are disturbing the class. They are roaming here and there. How will you make them settle in the classroom?
Firstly, I'll do the warm-up exercise. I'll ask all the kids to do the warm-up exercise.
What kind of exercises you will teach?
For example, like I'll tell the kids to raise their hands up and down, which is easy for a child to do. So they'll do the hands up and hand down. Then I will ask the children to do to wiggle their fingers, and later I'll ask them to put their hands up and tie their hands and put the finger on the mouth, so that they'll put the finger on the mouth. Obviously, the class will be silent. Then I'll start with the rhyme, so that the kids will enjoy, and it will be like a chubby chicks.
Okay, fine. Now, how will you control a hyperactive child?
Hyperactive child, I'll take him as a leader and leader for the class. Since he is very hyperactive, I can take him as a leader for the class, and I will give him a task where he will be engaged with me, with taking care of the class also. And if he is even more naughty, I'll give him a paper to scrap him.
Okay, fine. Now I'll ask you to introduce a letter. I'll ask you to introduce letter L. Then how will you introduce? I want you to do on the board.
Okay.
Assume that this is a classroom and children are in front of you. How you will start? How will you introduce? Just explain.
Okay. First I'll say, children, today we are going to learn the letter L. So today I am going to teach the letter L. Please see on the board, I'll be writing the straight line and a sleeping line. This is a L, capital L, and the straight line is a small letter L, whereas the cursive L goes From the bottom till the top, a curve will be made. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line for you people to show the pictures of L. Okay, the letter L, there is a flower, lotus. It is a national flower of our India. And there are two leaves. So the L for lotus, and it has two leaves. And it is a national flower. And later I am going to draw a bedlamp. This is a bedlamp which starts with the letter L, then the ladder, this is a ladder. You can make it a little more bigger. Then there is a lock, L for lock. Okay children, these are the pictures of letter L. Then we'll draw a line. Then we'll draw some 4 lines. As of now there is no color chalk, so I am drawing with the white chalks. But I'll tell you, this will be the top red line. And the second will be the blue line. And the first blue line, and this will be the second blue line. And this will be the fourth bottom red line. Okay, now we'll start writing in a 4 line. As you know children, this is a red line in your books. It's a red line, and this will be the first red line, and here it is the bottom red line, and it will be, there are 2 blue lines. It's the first blue line and the second blue line. The letter goes like this. We'll start with the first red line and end with the second blue line, and there we'll draw a sleeping line. This will be a letter L, capital L, whereas the small letter L, it's easy. Like it starts with a red top line and stops with the blue second line. And the cursive line, it goes from the bottom. Always the cursive goes from the second blue line. It will start. We'll start now. From the second blue line till the top red line, we should take a curve, slanting line, and we should come down with a straight line and little bit of a curve. This is a cursive L.
Okay, ma'am. Can you recite a rhyme for the children?
Okay. Today, today we are going to recite one rhyme where I'll show you the parts of our faces. You can see chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher pet, is that you? S, S, S.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yes, you can take your seat. Fine, thank you very much.
Friends, this was our first part. We will be uploading the second part very soon. So please like, share and subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification of our other videos very soon. If you have any queries regarding the interview questions and answers, you can comment me in the comment box. We will reply at the earliest. Thank you for watching the video.